Good morning, everyone. How are you? It's MJ, and you are at my channel called Planning This Life. Planning This Life is where we talk pens, planners, productivity, all that stuff that we love. Today, I want to test out a little sweet treat I got from one of my favorite viewers. It's a pen from a place at a store that I don't have near me, but this person does, and I want to hear from you. Do you know about this store? Stay tuned. Welcome if you're brand new. Welcome back if you are a longtime subscriber. So yes, my ever-long viewer, Erie, fantastic individual, very supportive of both of my channels, sent me a mini care package with a pen and some stickers. So we're going to go over to my desk and we're going to check out and see what this is all about. A little mysterious. I love it. Okay, so thanks so much to Erie for sending along the little care package. Absolutely appreciate it and love it. So here's the stickers that were picked up. And this is from a store called, is it Daiso? D-A-I-S-O. This is a garland sticker. Isn't that great? I guess it's an import store. I don't know. And then this set, these are little tiles. I love that, like a little harlequin. Stunning. All right, let's get to the pen. Here's the pen. Fountain pen without cartridge. Red ink. Anytime available fountain pen without cartridge. That kind of sounds like an oxymoron, doesn't it? Transparent body to check the residual ink. How to store. Close cap after use. Retract the pen tip when taking the product with you. Keep out of the reach of infants. Do not drop this product or hit it on other objects. Do not shake violently or drop. Immediately discontinue use if product becomes deformed or damaged. Do not use this product for purposes other than its intended purposes. Fountain pen without cartridge, red. So I'm thinking there's a cartridge in it already. And this is Daiso Industries. Do you have a Daiso near you? I want to know. I want to know where my closest Daiso is. I'm going to have to Google it. Oh, it's a nice pen. Oh, okay, so the ink is in there already. That has that nib that we're kind of familiar with, right? From the 1.25 pen Platinum Preppies. Has a good body though. And I don't have a red one, which is awesome. All right, let's get my scratch pad and test it out. I don't think there's a roller ball, or like a roller ball in here either. You could see the ink flowing back and forth with the air bubble. Immediately writes. It does seem a little on the wet side to me. That's just me though. Like when I'm writing it, I could see there's a linger with the ink going into the paper. That's what I'm talking about. Cheap paper. Not bleed, no bleed through. So the only thing you have to be mindful of with this is just the drag. Make sure it dries before anything. It's nice though. I mean, this is a nice quality pen. I'm not sure what it retails for, but this is, you know, let's compare it to the other ones. So here's my Platinum. This has a roller ball in it. I can just compare the nibs. Olika. This is Mon Ami. We'll just compare that with that. So do you have one of these stores near you? It's very nice. All three of these have something beneficial. You know, I think the Mon Ami has the best body style. That little indentation here, it's just a pleasure to write with. The Platinum Preppy, I mean, it is what it is. You can't say anything negative about it. You use it and it, you know, 3 months later, you don't pick it up. You start writing with it and it writes like a gem. This is nice. It gets style points for the design, for the coloring. You know, we have the nice gradient here. We have the silver, the clear. You're able to see straight through. It's transparent, so you could see how much ink you have left. But it's this is a true disposable. These have cartridges. True disposable this is, because the ink flows right through. Let me know if you used this pen before. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to turn it back over to myself. That was fun. I love having all of these colors. All right, everyone. So that's it here from me. Let me know, have you shopped at this store before? Have you gotten their pens? I'd be really interested to find out. I don't even know where the closest one is near me, but I wish I had one near me. I probably would shop it a lot. All right, make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. I'll see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now. Fill those pens and write those words. Bye.